Hello and welcome to my channel Green Bull Market. Nowadays, it is very hard to survive just with 9-to-5 job. Actually, we need more extra income to fulfill our needs and wants and to retire earlier. If you are watching this video, then you are at right place. I am going to show you 7 side hustles you can do from home and can earn extra income. But before that, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to support my channel. So let's start the list of 7 side hustles you can do from home. 1. Starting a dropshipping business. Our first side hustle is starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to buy any inventory. Why is that great? You don't need to have a big startup costs budget, keeping your risk low. The manufacturer not only carries the inventory but also ships it directly to the customer for you. Your main focus should be marketing and customer service, the lifeline of the business. If you have a strong marketing background and want a side hustle that plays to your strength, this is it. It's one of the rare side jobs that allows you to scratch a true entrepreneurial itch. You get to be the owner of your very own business. With dropshipping, you can start a business within any of your favorite passions. Do you love stocking your kitchen? You can sell kitchen equipment on the internet. Maybe you found this unique solar-powered, smartphone cooling accessory. You can start your own one-product store and implement these store ideas. If you love doing your makeup, you can sell beauty products and build an audience who follows along to your makeup tutorials. Almost any niche can be pursued with dropshipping. Plus, if you're a creative type, you can run wild with unusual business ideas. After all, as the owner of your own business, you'll always have final say, which makes this a great side hustle to start out. 2. Start freelancing. Our second side hustle in list is freelancing. You can start any kind of gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Whatever your passion is, you can start on Fiverr or Upwork. There are so many people who are earning money from very simple gigs like removing background from picture, creating voiceover for video. You could make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 a month depending on the side gigs you take on and the platform you use. For example, if you're looking to hit, say, an extra $1,000 a month, freelance writing is a side hustle that can allow you to reach your second income goal. The secret to succeeding as a freelancer is to charge clients based on the value you'll bring. Most freelance workers undercharge, which results in fast burnout with little payoff. 3. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of those side jobs that pay well over the long term. However, you'll need to go through a learning curve before you can start making money with affiliate marketing. It's not just about finding the right product to sell, but also finding the right brand to partner with. If you chose to be an affiliate marketer for e-commerce stores, your commission will likely be a lot lower than if you were to just dropship them yourself. However, there are tech companies that will pay a hefty price tag to affiliates who bring them new customers. For example, if you work with Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, you can earn easily $500 commission per referral. Another example is Shopify. You can earn around $50 for every person you refer to Shopify. You can use affiliate marketing very effectively if you are good in sending traffic to these sites. 4. Launch a print-on-demand store. If you like to make custom graphics and artwork in your free time, running a print-on-demand store could be a great side hustle for you. Print-on-demand allows you to sell your custom artwork on products like t-shirts, bags, phone cases, mugs, and more. The best part about it is that you can create and sell products under your own brand. Also, you can completely automate the logistics of the business by choosing to dropship your print-on-demand products. This is where you design products, add them to your store, promote them, and take orders from your customers. The orders are fulfilled by the print-on-demand company that prints your designs onto the products, then ships the items directly to the customer. 5. Starting a blog. Blogging is one of the best side hustle jobs to do from home, or anywhere else in the world. It allows you to build a personal brand while owning your own asset. You can even write about your passions. Starting a blog in a niche that you understand allows you to reach an audience who shares the exact same interest as you. Yoga, business, beauty, and cars are some popular niches for running a part-time blog. You can make money blogging in a few ways, adding affiliate links to your posts or linking to the online store where you sell dropshipping products. 6. Become an Instagram influencer. Growing up, most people dream of being famous. But the truth is, not everyone can sing or act. Fortunately, you can still build a personal brand around yourself based on what you can do. Maybe you have a really cool fashion sense or can bake an awesome cake. On Instagram, anyone can start a side hustle by becoming an influencer. If you don't like the spotlight, that's cool. You can build an Instagram following around your dog or your photography. You can monetize your Instagram account in a couple of ways: sponsored posts, Instagram takeovers, or selling a product on your website. 7. Become a virtual assistant. Top side hustles have one big thing in common: there's a high demand for them. A virtual assistant is an assistant who works in a remote location, as opposed to a company's office. They can help with tasks such as administration, social media, bookkeeping, and more. There's been a growing demand for virtual assistants from business owners who need help on various projects. As a virtual assistant, you can specialize in countless areas. In the past, I've hired virtual assistants for social media and customer service. And there are countless other businesses around the world that rely on virtual assistants to grow and maintain their brands.